Today is date night. Can you tell? And I just feel so feminine tonight. So I wanted to make a very romantic dinner with some wine and maybe we'll have music later. Let's make an Italian feast you're gonna love because I love sausage and peppers. Do you? And we're just gonna, whoa. Oh, you wanna go over there, huh? Wow. Our mushrooms. Oh, am I confused here? Add our tomatoes, our cherry tomatoes. And that's going to cook for a few hours on a low light. My fresh basil, and I use my fresh oregano in there as well to give it a delicious flavor. Oh my. And I'll have to clean the stove, of course, as always. And doesn't this look amazing? Did you know it's really an Italian-American dish? That's right. The Italians created it in America. This is very good. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Danny's Kitchen. Today is date night. Can you tell? And I just feel so feminine tonight. So I wanted to make a very romantic dinner with some wine and maybe we'll have music later. And what do you think is a romantic dinner? Of course, sausage and peppers. So before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. Did you make your coffee? Come on to my kitchen and have a cup with me. Oh, nice. So this sausage and peppers, I like Neiman Ranch, sweet Italian sausage. And of course, you need a lot of garlic. Oh yeah. And peppers. I buy organic whenever I can. I bought organic red peppers, a red onion, mushrooms. I got two kinds of mushrooms. Bella mushrooms and white mushrooms. Love mushrooms in this, don't you? And of course, this is for my garden. It's cherry tomatoes I blanched and froze. And what else do I need? Oh yeah, spices. Oregano, fennel seeds, basil, adobo, and spike. So these are, and also some homemade basil. So a homegrown basil, which is going to be nice in there, and some oregano. You know, so come on into my kitchen and let's make an Italian feast you're going to love because I love sausage and peppers. Do you? It's so romantic. And also you need, oh, I forgot. We'll need wine, of course. And some crushed tomatoes we're going to put in there. So this is the kind of thing that makes a really nice romantic dinner. And of course, sausage and peppers originated in, of course, Italy. So come into Anne's kitchen and let's make it delicious. Now we're going to put it in the pan. We have here, we're going to put the olive oil, we're going to put it generously on the pan. And lightly lighted. Just like that. And we're going to put the onions. Woo! Come on out. And the garlic. And we're going to let that just saute a little bit until they get a little bit caramelized. And then we're going to add other ingredients to this. We just want this to get soft. And then we'll start adding the peppers and the sausage. We'll get the sausage cooked a little bit as well. Okay, so now we're going to add our sausage. And we're just going to, whoa. Oh, you want to go over there, huh? We're going to add our sausage. And we're going to let that cook until the sausages are brown. And we're going to turn them over, keep turning them over until they're brown. And then we're going to finish the other steps. So now we're going to add everything else. I used 7 cloves of garlic. I love garlic in this. And the whole red onion. So we're going to replace the garlic and onions, and we're going to add our tomato sauce. As you can see, oh boy, as you can see, they're nice and brown. You want your meat cooked. So you add 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. And these are my crushed tomatoes. Looks beautiful already. Next we're going to add our peppers. Wow. Our mushrooms. Oh, am I confused here? I'm looking at the peppers and saying, now we're going to add the peppers. So we added the peppers. And we're going to let that cook down a little bit before we add the tomatoes. And it will cook down somewhat. And we'll add our basil. That smells really nice. And when that cooks down a little bit, we'll add the tomatoes. We'll cook it on a pretty higher light, and we'll add our spices and our tomatoes. So it's a few steps, but it's going to be delicious. Now that cooked down somewhat, so we're going to add our tomatoes, our cherry tomatoes, and that's going to cook for a few hours on a low light. And we're going to add our spices, some adobo, just a dash of that, a dash of Spike, a dash of fennel seeds, oregano, generously oregano, and basil. And of course I put the fresh basil and I use my fresh oregano in there as well to give it a delicious flavor. Oh my. And I'll have to clean the stove, of course, as always. But we're going to let that simmer there on a low light for a few hours, and then we're going to be coming to take a taste, and I can't wait to taste this. I added more basil, and doesn't this look amazing? Now we're going to give it a try, and I'll tell you how delicious it is. The sauce, it's a real Italian treat, I'm telling you, and you're going to love it. So it's completed, it's done, and it looks amazing, doesn't it? So now we're going to test it, and I'll let you know how it is. So it's done, and I can't wait to try it. Did you know it's really an Italian-American dish? That's right. The Italians created it in America, and this is their version of sausage and pepper, which I love. So let's take a taste, okay? This is very good. Oh boy, all the spices. You know, you need a lot of spices in here. Oregano. Delicious, that's all I can say. It's delicious. So, I hope you make yours and make your Italian dish for your romantic evening, because I have my wine right here and I'm ready for a romantic evening to eat, and maybe we'll have dancing tonight, I don't know. Or maybe watch a special movie. But we're going to have fun tonight. That's what it's all about. Isn't that date night? Date night is to have a really, really good time with the person who you're in love with. So come again, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Come again and we'll be cooking up a storm, because I love to cook. I like to do a lot of things, but I like to have fun. So enjoy your day. Bye-bye for now.